and welcome back to my channel. So today we are having something real simple, just a baked potato, shrimp artichoke Alfredo sauce inside of the potato with some shrimp, and that's pretty much it. So, and for today's drink, I have just some water, and I also have some extra sauce, Alfredo sauce, just in case I want some extra dipping. So let's get to it. Okay, so that's good. So I did with the shrimp, I just cut it up, and I cut up some and put it on the inside, then had some on top. But this shrimp, all throughout, and it's so big that I had it so much sauce that it wasn't enough to fill the potato, but it is. I think next time I'm gonna add some crab meat. That'll be good in it. How's everybody feeling out there? I'm stuck up in the house. It's really good. The shrimp. Dip it in the sauce. Alfredo sauce is to die for. And it's homemade. It's not too often I don't cook my own stuff. So, just for some conversation, tell me, what is your favorite reality show? I haven't really been into reality TV too much. I watch it here and there, but I've been watching it lately, and it's been kind of interesting. So I've been watching Real House of Atlanta, what's the other one? Love and Hip Hop, both Atlanta and Miami. I actually just watched the reunion for Miami. I did watch the show. Talk about a mess. They are crazy. But my favorite one out of all of them is Sukiana. She's real. She's funny. And not to say she don't care, but like, she's gonna be her. And it just seemed like she's being herself. And then Love and Hip Hop. Atlanta, it's just getting started, but I think it's getting off to a good start. With the whole Queen of Atlanta. I haven't been, maybe I should go back on a few seasons because I have no idea who Akbar is. And from what I've seen, Light Skin Keisha's new on there. So I've never heard of her either. But it's something, you know, kind of to distract you from what's going on. Oh, this is so good. Y'all eat your potato skins? I do. Especially if it's, you know, having a good sauce to go with it. Mm-hmm. I know. I'm gonna start keto. But with this quarantine, it's hard. To try to buy stuff that you gotta keep running to the store to go and get. And keto foods is one of those things where, you know, I noticed that when I was doing it, I had to constantly go to the store. So trying to limit and buy stuff I don't have to go out all the time. But that has been the hardest thing. Let me bring my sauce up here. There we go. Cheers. So, if anybody knows, I'm here in Georgia, and we have a mandatory stay in place, meaning don't go nowhere. Technically you shouldn't, because you know you want to protect yourself and your loved ones. So, I've been trying to go out maybe once a week for items, you know, just in case we run out of the, you know, essential stuff like milk and bread. When her kids, they go through that type of stuff real quick. And then you don't want to get too much. And then go bad, so there's one thing you definitely have to go back and forth for. And then, you know, butter, just the main essential stuff that you cook with. No, I try to do that like once a week. What has been your go-to meals since being quarantined? I tell you right now, my son is tired of tuna fish. Let mom, when you buy tuna fish one more time, no. I try to stack up on it in case, you know, you can't go to the store or have something to eat. Make sure I keep shrimp. Keep shrimp and fish. Buy it frozen in a bag. I like to get it fresh, but it's more efficient. You buy it and keep it in the freezer. Oh, the skin is good. Potatoes have been one thing that's been kind of scarce. And broccoli. Oh my gosh. I love broccoli, but I cannot find any. I like to buy if I can't find it, I'll just get some frozen broccoli. But I like to buy the fresh kind that's in the bag. And they're always sold out. Always. So if they don't have it, I just buy it frozen. Mm, mm, mm. Really good. And the cheese that I put in here, just put some mozzarella and Parmesan. A little medley of peppers, green, yellow, red. Little chili pepper for some heat. And some onions, of course, and garlic. Yeah. Mm. Sorry, y'all. Mm, mm, mm. Oh, this is really good, y'all. I definitely have to make this again. Mm. And what I also want to do is try some new ideas on the channel on certain stuff to eat. Because I don't want to do, like the crab legs all the time. So, decided I'll do a baked potato. Maybe I'll do some Alfredo. Mm-hmm. I think that will be it. Some keto friendly Alfredo. Because technically, all of this would have been keto friendly. Besides potato. Last bite. That's good. And I'm trying to do better with my time. That's some good old H2O. So here's the end. And if you were down there with me, I do appreciate it. And, you know, just leave me a comment, like, comment, and subscribe. I do appreciate it. And until then, bye. Stay healthy. Wash your hands. And please stay home. Have a good one.